Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete all Google account activity history. If you are using any Google account and you want to delete all of your Google account activity history, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open up your browser. It might be Chrome or anything else. You have to open your browser and here you have to simply search for myactivity.google.com as I have already searched. Once you have searched, you have to simply tap on the first website, myactivity. And here you have to sign in with the account of which you want to delete activity. You can easily switch your account from here, and once you have switched your account you will get the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Here select delete activity, and here you have to select of which time you want to delete all the your Google account history. Here's the lost hour, lost day, all time, or the custom range. If you want to delete your history of or activity history of your lost hours, you must have to select the first option. Here's the last day option and here's the all time. You have to select the option which you want, and once you have selected, you have to tap on this next option. But in my case, I'm going to select only of lost hour history, and here select delete option. And in this way, you can easily delete all of your Google account activity history. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.